Okay, so in today's video we're going to look at the target shooting, which is the drill that's in the Smokeless Range 2.0, and we're going to shoot the targets from 5 yards through to 30 yards. And we're going to be using the Umarex Beretta M9A3 for this drill. Okay, so we have the target here at 5 yards, and we're going to again be shooting the Umarex Beretta, as I mentioned, the M9A3, and we're going to be using single action, double action with no gas blowback. Okay, so we'll go ahead and zoom in the target. So pretty good groupings there. And again, this was a single action on the first shot, followed by the double action for the remaining shots. So now we're going to go 10 yards, repeat the same drill. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in. Okay, again, it's pretty good groupings there. Got one single, I think that was the first shot, which is with a single action. So it's usually more accurate. But okay, so let's push it. Okay, so zoom in. So yeah, first shot was definitely off then, and then obviously recovered with type of grouping, but shooting a little bit low as well. Okay, so now out to 20 yards. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in. Yeah, it's interesting this one. So I was definitely low on the. It's like the first shot was slightly to the left, and then the others grouped, and then one high. Okay, so out to 25 yards. See how we do here. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in. Yeah, still shooting a bit low there, but reasonably good groupings. That was at 25 yards. Okay, so let's push out now to the final 30 yards. See how we get on. Okay, so that's 30 yards. We'll quickly zoom in. Yeah, as expected, a bit of a wider spread there. Anyway guys, that's it for now, so thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye for now.